The task today is for all of us to develop empathy for our natural environment. Projects such as this one, I hope, will nurture a deeper interest in our natural environment. My name is Vera Möller. I'm a multidisciplinary artist. I originally studied biology in Germany, and the fresh water ecology aspect has allowed me now to become intensely interested in marine spaces. Everything from fish to coral reef, nudibranchs, sea cucumbers, all of those are of intense interest to me. My head's become an archive of very specialist information that I can tap into. This wall here I have brought straight from the studio. I remind myself when I work on other projects in what my reference points are. So these are either past exhibitions, drawings that remind me of strange sea creatures. There is my dog that is always with me. When I received the invitation to run an education lab at MUMA, I was aware of the exhibition that was on in the main space, a group of works by Candice Lim. One particular work gave me the concrete connection point, and that was the sea cucumber. I made that the center of my workshop series. Chose a material that would really deliver on executing objects in response to the subject matter of sea cucumbers, nudibranchs, underwater spaces. Students within even the time frame of just 1 or 2 hours could make their own fabulous underwater spaces. The students have just embraced this paper base and multicolored, fast-drying material. It was perfect for the job. Some of these are very, very complex and beautiful. It tells me that they actually had fun because they put a lot of thought into how to sculpt it up and make it very animated. I would almost say that they've put me to shame. They've just exploded in creativity. They've made these extraordinary works. It is so joyous, it is so extraordinary, and what's been so terrific for me is that I've been able to tell them about these spaces and why perhaps students might develop a degree of empathy with the natural environment. I want them to see how I work in my studio. I want them to see how I go out and do rock pooling or I photograph on the coast, so that they see my real life situation and that is not removed from their own. So they can start to participate and share with me as well. They tell me about how they go rock pooling or how they work with their families. And then that is a circular movement where they then come back hopefully with their own families and see the exhibition. They're going to enter into the museum and then they see their own work. It's with my own little sculptural objects. They see themselves as part of the entire museum. And that's the important bit. It's not exclusively to the lab, but we're all here in the museum. We're all working creatively. I'm hugely inspired myself because I've actually seen some things that I wouldn't mind doing myself. So it's been a really worthwhile project for me as well. I've got new ideas, new ways of approaching it. It's just spectacular.